have another creature here.
Ow!
That hurts. I know it does.
Oh, he's getting his fucking payback.
Dude, you're doing a great job. You're special because you're you.
Like, stand up and face that way.
Stand up, face that way. Why?
Dude, just do it.
That's not gonna help you.
It'll give me a weapon.
There we go.
He can't see. He can't fight.
There you go. No, other side.
Hold on, let me get this one doubled up.
Good idea.
Here's an extra charge.
Dude, Daugherty's fun at this. This is better than Canham.
Oh, this is too funny. Hi, Daugherty. I don't want to be a Daugherty, idiot. Get me. You gotta get me, Daugherty. Fucking piece of shit. I'm not a fucking paper. I dropped the key.
Oh, that's not good.
Oh, fuck. You couldn't have got it anyway. I could have. Dude, I'm gonna go get my camera and take a picture.
Look at that. Anyone got a ball? We can gag him too.
Yes, good call. Get a sock.
Take one on your foot.
Who's Daugherty? Who's that?
That's mine.
It's his
You want to do the honors?
Get some tape.
I'm about to get
I need some tape.
Oh shit, I don't fucking know.
You know you want to. Yeah, you can have boys.
Fucking assholes.
Smile at
It's
me.
all fun, isn't it? It's fun now, huh?
Go ahead. Hit me with that motherfucker. Hit me on the arm. See the red mark from yesterday?
Hold on.
That's from yesterday? Yeah.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Are you ready?
Oh boy.
This is Daugherty, and he has no choice. Look, look, he's chained up. Watch,
Yeah.
see? He can't do nothing about it. His legs, everything. We're about to get him good.
Punishment
Get him,
for
boys.
being gay.
Oh, harder!
Harder. Not anymore.
Honestly, Daugherty's good at taking it.
Yeah. Look at what he did to my stick.
Good.
Oh man, you broke the punishment.
What do you think about that?
Right here, bitch.
Put some alcohol. Put some alcohol in his burns.
Got a red mark. Damn.
Hopefully nobody sees it. That's a true idiot right there.
Hold on, let me see it. Let me see it. Don't try to grab me, dude. Oh, fuck.
Who has handcuffs?
Sorry,
A picture of him.
He's like...
You gotta blindfold him.
We need 90 mile an hour too.
You know, I'm on the last 6 minutes.
Cravat. We need a cravat.
It's a perfect ending.
My fucking cereal's broken, you assholes.
It's... I got an idea. What do we got over here?
Hey, let's put his Fernandez's drawers on his head.
No, come on. I wouldn't do that to you guys.
Yeah, that's fucked up.
Yeah, a key. That's how you get out.
Dude, don't like break your wrist.
Get out of this shit.
Idiot, it broke 1,000
Get
wrists.
your way out.
That's not meant to cut the chain. You ever see Saw? I want you to kill Cam.
Cut his hand off. That's funny.
Saw.
He's trying to cut his hand off. He's like, get back. No, he's not playing.
Hey, knife.
It's an A.
An actual good knife.
Here you go.
They disarmed him. No. No! Bad monkey! Alright, if you want to use this, we can.
No, I need one for his mouth and one for his face. That for his eyes.
Well, hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Cut it, right? Do this line right here. Alright, 4 minutes till this tape runs off.
What's that for?
Well, you're trying to use it as a weapon.
That's where his mouth, that's where his eyes. Okay.
Jordy's like, yeah, fuck y'all.
What do you got?
Oh, shit.
Perfect.
Jordy.
Daugherty, I'm so glad you came to this platoon, man.
This? No, what come? He's a traitor. He's a traitor.
He doesn't know where we're at, though. We have an advantage.
This is a traitor.
You can't see it.
He's an American. He's an American terrorist.
Hey, time up. His hands.
His hands are already tied.
That's what he does. So does it move up.
This is what happens when you like Asian women. Yeah.
Alright, Torres. Your fucking ass is getting it now. I'm gonna fuck that shit hard.
Very handy.
Come here, boy. I say take it
Hold
off.
on, bro.
That actually hurts her. Handcuffs are meant to be pulled somewhere.
Thanks.
Hey, are we good? Are we done punishing him?
Oh, I got 2 more minutes of battery time.
Hey.
Hey, I'm trying to unlock
Tape time, that is.
No, fuck you now.
God damn.
You couldn't see.
Here, I got it.
Don't move.
If you squirm, you might get cut.
Yeah.
Who chained you up like this? What happened?
The interpreter. You guys got it on fucking camera. Let's go kick that son of a bitch's ass.
We're Americans. We're here to save you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just like walked up the door and
You
crap.
should have did. Had you like come and put a sign on me. Don't tell me not to shit in the toilet again.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, we didn't do that. It's not Navarro. He looks Iraqi. So this is what we do to interpret this shit on the chain.
So, have you learned anything?
Don't fall for Asian women. Especially when you call
Holy shit, motherfuckers.
Oh, we haven't had a good video in a long time.
Yeah.
That was quite wonderful.
Maybe if the right people got hold, that would be good.
Yeah. Son of a bitch!
It's like, fuck.
Ow! 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 Ow!
Yeah, quiet.
This is the last of the tape.
Look at that. You wait.
Alright.
You know. You know.
Here.
Yeah, I'm out too.
I'm done. Mercy. Trees.
Ow! That was
Now
fun.
Oh, wait. Hey.